Hello friends, welcome to my channel again. Today we are going to install Node.js in our computer. For that we need to install first Node official website is you simply follow the link that is given above. I am highlighting this URL from which you can download Node.js. Currently 10.3 version is in, but you have to recommended to use this Node.js, and once you have downloaded you can get these type of files. It is actually I have recently downloaded this, and this file is stored on computer with this name. Okay, then I will go to this file. Let's start installing. First of all, you need to click on that, run. Next, accept license and agreement, and next. If you want to change directory name of this Node.js, then you can change the path here, but I am not changing anything. Click next. These are most important because npm and Node.js has to be installed on your computer. It is must. Next. So it is asking click install to begin this. Okay, you just have to click on install button. Now wait for some time because it is installing. Now it has been installed in your computer. After that you must restart your computer because it is affecting when you restart your computer. So that's it guys, because we need to restart our computer, and all the steps that you can validate that your Node.js installed properly on your computer, you can follow this step in my next tutorial. Thank you, bye.